Hey, welcome to Right Choice Auto Parts. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and like and subscribe so whenever we put out new parts, you'll be able to see those videos when they come out, or you can go to the link below and actually go to the website and find the parts you need. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you what we have. Hello ladies and gentlemen, here we have a Mercury Montego taillight for you. It actually fits years 2005 all the way up to 2007. It would be a perfect replacement for you if you're looking for one for your car. So we also carry the right side as well, but they're sold separately. Do you own a Audi A3? Well, this could be a perfect replacement for you. This actually fits from years 2017 all the way up to 2020. This LED taillight right here, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually look at it to see the condition it's in before I actually showed you the part number that's there. The right side is also available for you, ladies and gentlemen. This LED taillight right here is in perfect condition. This also fits 2017 all the way up to 2020. Have a look at the description for more information on this item. Let's turn this around for you so you can have a closer look at the part numbers that are here on this item. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I have a quick question for you, ladies and gentlemen. Are you doing a restoration on a BMW 3 Series? Now, this would be a great option for you, and here's why. We have both of these headlights here for you. They are HID and AFS enabled. So you can definitely switch those out that if you actually have one that's a halogen in exchange for these ones. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna actually take the time to actually give you a look at the bottom of these headlights to give you a little closer look on what it's like. Of course, it does have the ballast that comes with this item, and this right here is for the HID and right here is for the AFS function. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This may be a great option for you, so you can definitely go over to the website and get them while they last. All right, what do we have next? Here we have a Buick LaCrosse HID headlight, ladies and gentlemen, and it's in perfect condition. It's the right-hand headlight. It fits from the year 2010 all the way up to 2013. Now, as you can see here, it is in perfect condition. Just go ahead and look at that at this item right here. You can see it for yourself. Tabs are looking great so far. Let me switch it around for you so you can have a closer look. Now, as you see right here, tabs are in great condition, and I'll just flip it over so you can see the HID balance on the bottom. And what I'll do for you, let me go ahead and take this back piece off here so you can see inside the item. It's giving me a little trouble here, but I can do it for you. You will see the HID bulb once I open this. So let me go ahead and do this. Oh, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, and cables and everything in great condition as well. So there you have it. We can actually move on to the next awesome item here for you at rightchoiceautoparts.com. Now, right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Infiniti headlight. This Infiniti headlight, ladies and gentlemen, it fits the M35 model, and it fits from 2006 all the way up to 2010. So this is a AFS HID headlight, and it would be a perfect fit for your car if you're looking for a replacement. So yes, again, this is the other side. Now, right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the HID headlight that fits the Infiniti, and it's also the M35, as you can definitely see right here, but this is the right hand headlight, and also in a wonderful working condition for you. You can definitely have this one as an awesome replacement for your car, and it would be a great option for you. You need to go ahead and grab this while it's still available on the website. Now, what we have here, we have a Jaguar
XJ8 headlight. This headlight right here is a HID headlight, ladies and gentlemen, and it fits from the years 2006 all the way up to 2009, right? So this right here is the left-hand headlight, and we do also have the other side available. But let me go ahead and give you a bit more information here. So what I'll do for you, I'll just go ahead and lift this up and let you see the bottom of the item. Here's the HID ballast. No, I think you have a good idea of the quality that you're receiving right here. Now let me go over to the other side. As we mentioned before, we have the right-hand headlight available as well. Just go ahead and take in the quality of this item. Restored in wonderful condition. Great option for you. Now, as I said before, you can go ahead to the link below and actually check out this item for yourself, and have a closer look at it on the website, and review it some more, see a little more detail. Now let me switch this around and have you look at the back as well. Have a look at the HID ballast. It's all included with this item, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, so what do we have next for you? We also have a LS 430 Lexus HID headlight, ladies and gentlemen. This right here could be an awesome replacement for you as well if you own this car and this model. So, like I said before, we're here for you at rightchoiceautoparts.com, and you'll see a lot of amazing things coming out as we share these wonderful updates with you right here at Right Choice Auto Parts.